I photography to the candle, but I will be use this special gel lighting filter, what I will be use for photography these candles. That's I make this video to show you how use this gel and how can change your photo and make more artistic type of the photo. That's, let's go. My client sent me the candle, what is including cherry blossom, plum, bubble gum and moonlight. And one effect like here, like cherry blossom is pink, everything must be pink and more pink color on the photo. And he want the same effect like moonlight, something blue or pink. That's exactly I think what I can buy and to do like the lights is pink or exactly lights is blue. That I bought this gel like you see here, and I bought this light gel for change the color of the lights. We use this in photography. I bought first time. I have something that's in snore where is a small pieces the same color you put and you change the lights. I done that video before, you can check, but this time we will be work only on two colors. It's pink and blue because that is the color what choice my clients. And like you see, I have natural lights. I must work with artificial lights in this type. I cannot work with natural lights because I cannot have this effect. That is the truth. And what else? We will be use this lamp, Godox 150. I start the lamp and show you what's happened. When I start this lamp, straight away it is too bright and so strong shadows. My clients don't want soft, delicate candles, delicate photo with the nice pink and blue effect. That I must to do more soft lights. And what we use? We will be use some diffuser for that effect. And this diffuser I have already here some modificator the lights. I use diffuser. I put on front of the table what will be more soft the lights with this diffuser. Like you see, is more soft the lights straight away when I use the diffuser. Of course, I move the lamp little far, will be bigger but more soft. That looks the setup really for exactly this effect. Like you see, it's too bright, of course. I will be must change parameter on my camera with the candles, everything, because when I show you how it looks in camera. Looks that when I put my diffuser now, the front off, looks completely different, more soft lights. Now I show you how change everything. If I put the lamp little closer and I put the blue, you see the effect is more blue. If I put the pink, is effect more pink there than was. I hope you see everything. Yes, and that we will be work with this. I try to put here on the tape the color and do the few photos. I set up my lights here. I install this, I hope you see, on something like that. Easy work, and we have everything more pink. I think I don't must block the lights. Natural. I take the shoot. I change this gel for blue, like you see, and you have completely different effect now. It's more blue, moonlight, something effect on my photo. Like you see, it's really blue. I have more blue. It's completely changed the color because we changed the gel. Now it's blue. That is that color. But believe me, when I switch off, of course, it's back to normal color. But what I want to say, one things, and of course I can move this light, move this. You have normal like you see now. One thing what I want to say, remember when you photography candles, clean your candles all the time because it's dusty. Experiment with the lights. Change the color of the lights. use this gel. You can use the same change in Photoshop or Lightroom, white balance for different color. That can be different white balance. You don't must buy the gel, or you can buy, and it's more easy to use for different color, and you straight away you see the effect. I'm happy I have that opportunity to work here with this gel, to experiment, have that opportunity work with my clients, and she wanted something different, completely effect than before. You can buy this gel or Amazon, AliExpress, Temu, is no problem. I use few minutes and nothing happened with this gel. I don't know how long I can work. I will be definitely work more and experiment with this.